Hey guys, welcome back. It's TYRATHETHIRD, and today I'm going to give you 4 different items you should have for your locks from Amazon. So if you want to see more, just keep watching. Yeah guys, today I'm going to give you 4 basic items that you should have for your locks that you can get off of Amazon. I'm thinking about making this like a monthly thing, but we'll see. Before you know what, smack the world with like an open hand. I was working from home in 2019 due to a surgery I had. So I basically have been working from home pretty much the last year and a half. The result of that has been that I order off of Amazon all of the time. I be ordering stuff off of Amazon that I don't even have to order, like that I could literally run to the convenience store down the street and get. Like I be getting like toothbrushes and toothpaste, lotion, and like I be getting like stuff from Amazon that I literally don't have to get from Amazon. It's something that I'm working on. It's something that I'm trying to get better at and trying to deduce out of my budget. I've been getting a few things for my locks off of Amazon as well that I wanted to share with you guys today. These items today are just some simple basics that you should have in your lock arsenal. So the first product is this Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen by Carol's Daughter. When I tell you it smells like Jesus laid a kiss on my forehead, it smells so good. This is basically just like a sheen spray. Got shea, jojoba, and sweet almond oil in it. It says on the bottle that it's for dry, dull, and brittle hair. It says that it replenishes moisture, improves manageability, and adds shine. And they need to add another tick on here that says, smells like Jesus laid a forehead kiss on my sinful soul, because it smells so good, y'all. It smells like a combination of vanilla, as it states, but also like this brown sugar cocoa butter, take me to the islands type of, I don't know. You guys, I'm so sorry, I don't remember exactly what the price is. I should have looked that up before I pressed record, but of course I'm unprepared as usual. So the next product is definitely like a holy grail product. I've seen this product all over Amazon. I'm sure you have as well. It's this rose water and glycerin soothing spray. It comes in a bottle of about 4 fluid ounces, and it says on the bottle that it's classic, soothing, and pure. Moisturizer you can trust, and a harsh weather defense. This is used for your hair, but it can also be used as a face and body lotion. I'm sure you see makeup artists talk about this on YouTube. I've seen hairstylists talk about this, lifestyle people. Like it's basically just like a holy grail go-to type of rose water spray. Rose water in general is very good for your hair. I'm actually going to be working on another video soon showing you guys how I make my own rose water, but for those of you who don't want to do it yourselves, which I completely understand, this is a very good go-to. After I spritz my hair with aloe vera water, I usually follow up with this product, and I also have been using this as a setting spray for my makeup. Who would have known? After I put all my makeup on, I'll just do like a mist like that and let the chips fall where they may. Okay, so remember earlier when I said that I be ordering stuff off of Amazon that I absolutely could just go to the convenience store and get? Yeah, this is one of those products, but I still wanted to show y'all just because. So this is a scalp brush. I don't even have the packaging for this anymore, but basically it's just a little brush you can use in the shower when you're really trying to get into your scalp and get into those nooks and crannies, those crevices. I love this little brush. I use it every time I go to shampoo my hair and I'm really trying to get like a thorough cleanse, and I'm really trying to like get that grit and all of that product that I've been using over the last couple of weeks. When I'm trying to get that out of my scalp, this really comes in handy. I suggest, even if you don't get it off of Amazon, you should go to your local hair store and get you one of these. And the last product that I would recommend is this. All right, y'all gonna have to bear with me. I'm trying to figure out how to pronounce this. I think it's Talia Wajid. That is my guess. If that's not how you pronounce it, I apologize. That's how I believe you say it. Basically, this is like a pre-cleanse, kind of like a pre-poo type of product. It says that it thoroughly cleanses without water, stops itch, moisturizes hair and scalp, cleans scalp and hair between shampoos, and it's made with peppermint and green tea. They give you 8 fluid ounces, and this product is the truth. I can attest to that. So I've used this product in 2 different ways. I've used this product as a pre-cleanser, which means that I sprayed it on my hair before I got in the shower to shampoo. And I really liked it then, and then I used it another time when I was between retwists, and I had about 2.5 more weeks before I had to go to my loctician. I used it as like an in-between type of cleanser as well, and this stuff is powerful. One thing that I can say is that it's very strong. That peppermint oil in it, peppermint in anything is going to make the product like peppermint and tea tree are those girls, and we need to talk about it. We need to talk about it. Peppermint oil and tea tree essential oils are those girls. They are those women, because they're so powerful and it doesn't take a lot. This product is super strong. When it says thoroughly cleanses, that's a promise. That's a guarantee. That's not for play. It's not an everyday product. It's a product that you should use in between washes, in between appointments to see your loctician. It's that type of product. Do not use this every day. Do not use this every day. It's not to be substituted for a shampoo. It's not to be substituted for a full wash day. It is an in-between product. I don't want to mislead anybody. So yeah, guys, that's 4 basic products you should have for your loc journey that you can get off of Amazon. If you find this beneficial, will you let me know down in the comment section? Will you do that for me, please? Before I go, can we get into this retwist? Can we just, you know, I was trying to do the video and not say nothing about it, but I can't get out of here without saying so. Can we get into my loctician? Her name's Tuesday, and to be honest, she snapped. Like, I love this style. This is my first style that I got done by a loctician, and I'm really feeling it. I think she did like a really good job. Can we get into these edges? Can we get into the buns? Can we hop? Let's hop and skip into the back, please. I'm about to get out of here. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you do that. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That's very important. If you like this content, if you want to see more loc Amazon finds, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section for any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at TYRATHETHIRD, as I'm starting to document my loc journey over there as well. My mouth is so dry. My mouth. That's all for today, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.